Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the remote machine is powered, connected, and has an account you control. Install the chosen remote tool, RDP for Windows, VNC for cross-platform, TeamViewer for simplicity, or SSH for command line access. Once done, configure the local firewall and router. Open the port or enable the tool's NAT traversal and record the public IP or set up dynamic DNS. Make sure to enable strong passwords and, where available, two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Next, you lock in the network details, assign a static LAN IP or create a DHCP reservation so port forwarding stays valid. Then map the router. Forward an external port to the internal IP and the service port. Choose a non-default external port for safety. Once done, adjust the remote software to accept connections on that port and verify firewall rules. Now configure your client. Input the public IP or hostname, port, and credentials, and test a local connection before attempting remote access from another network. Finally, you secure and finalize the connection. Prefer SSH tunnels or a VPN to encrypt traffic and avoid exposing service ports directly to the internet. Once connected, verify file access, remote control, and peripheral behavior. If something fails, enable logs on the client and server, then run ping, traceroute, and telnet to the target port to isolate the issue. If you still cannot connect, make sure ISP port filtering is not blocking you. Recheck NAT and firewall rules, and reboot the router as a simple recovery step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.